This is an introduction to lessons 4 through 6 in operations management. We'll begin to discuss how to use some of the things we've been talking about in our probability and statistics review. We're going to talk about, for the next 3 lessons, tools of decision analysis. The first lesson, in lesson 4, we'll talk about 5 tools that'll help us analyze and frame some decisions that we'll face based on future outcomes, but we're not able to assign probabilities to those outcomes. And it's called decision making under conditions of uncertainty, where we are uncertain about the likelihood of events that may happen in the future. 5 different tools, which will be taking the perspective of an optimist, a pessimist. We'll be looking at decisions from conditions of regret. We'll also look at a tool that's called the Hurwitz criteria, as well as equal likelihood analysis. That's lesson 4. Lesson 5, we'll be talking about decisions being made under expected value conditions, where we can assign probabilities to the outcome. We'll look at expected value decision making. We'll also be able to look at and compute the value of information, the expected value of perfect information. And then finally, in lesson 6, we'll talk about decision making using decision trees. Decision trees are an extension of what we have seen already with the probability tree, but the probability outcomes are interspersed with a sequence of decisions and events that are random. So you'll have a random event, and then a decision to make, and then another random event, and perhaps another decision to make, and so forth. How do we analyze those types of decisions using a decision tree? So that's where we're going in the next three lessons, and of course at the end of lesson 6 we'll have a quiz that covers all of those lessons. So look forward to introducing you to these tools in decision analysis.